U.S. School Chemistry Fundamentals Quiz. Number 1. What is the smallest unit of an element that retains its properties? A. Molecule. B. Atom. C. Compound. D. Cell. The answer is B. Atom. Number 2. Which of these is a noble gas? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Helium. D. Chlorine. The answer is C. Helium. Number 3. What does pH scale measure? A. Density. B. Mass. C. Temperature. D. Acidity or basicity. The answer is D. Acidity or basicity. If you got the first 3 right, hit like and follow for more quizzes. Number 4. How many electrons can the first shell of an atom hold? A. 8. B. 2. C. 18. D. 32. The answer is B. 2. Number 5. Which process turns a liquid into a gas? A. Freezing. B. Condensation. C. Evaporation. D. Melting. The answer is C. Evaporation. Number 6. What is H2O commonly known as? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Hydrogen peroxide. C. Water. D. Sodium chloride. The answer is C. Water. If you're still answering correctly, you're doing amazing. Follow for daily quiz videos. Number 7. Which element has the chemical symbol O? A. Gold. B. Oxygen. C. Osmium. D. Iron. The answer is B. Oxygen. Number 8. What type of reaction occurs when 2 substances combine to form a new compound? A. Decomposition. B. Combustion. C. Synthesis. D. Replacement. The answer is C. Synthesis. Number 9. What is the center of an atom called? A. Nucleus. B. Electron cloud. C. Proton sphere. D. Ionic core. The answer is A. Nucleus. If you got this one right too, you're a chemistry genius. Don't forget to follow for more challenges. Number 10. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. And the answer is B. Carbon dioxide. Thanks for playing. How many did you get right? Comment below.